Our today's topic for discussion is beta-lactam antibiotics nucleus. In this lecture, we will discuss about the different nucleus which are present in the beta-lactam antibiotics. The first is the pinim ring. Pinim ring are the bicyclic ring system containing a 4-membered beta-lactam ring which is fused with a 5-membered thiazolidine ring. It is a saturated ring system that is present in the penicillin subclass of the beta-lactam family of the antibiotics and the related compounds. Examples include the benzyl penicillins, which are also known as penicillin G. The second is the carbapinam. Carbapinam is a beta-lactam compound that is saturated carbapinine. They exist primarily as a biosynthetic intermediates on the way to the carbapinine antibiotics. Third one includes the oxapinam. Oxapinam is also a fused ring system having a beta-lactam ring fused to a oxazolidine ring. They are also known as clavums. They are also known as clavums, and the clavulanic acid is the most important example of the clavums. The fourth one is pinim ring. Pinim ring is a type of beta-lactam with unsaturated 5-membered heterocyclic ring, and this ring also contains a sulfur atom which is fused to the beta-lactam ring. Pinims do not occur naturally, all are synthetic and have broad spectrum of antibacterial activity, and the most common example is ferropinine. Next is carbapinine. Carbapinine has also a 5-membered ring as does the penicillin, but it has a carbon at carbon number 1 instead of sulfur. It is a carbon instead of sulfur. Along with the beta-lactam ring, carbapinims among the beta-lactams are a broad spectrum antibacterial agents, and the most common example is doripinine. Next is the monobactums. Monobactums are monocyclic, means the beta-lactam ring is not fused to any another ring, and the most common example includes the aztreonam. Aztreonam is available in the markets. Coming to the sephemes. Sephemes are a subgroup of beta-lactam antibiotics including cephalosporins and cephamycins. They have a beta-lactam ring fused with a dihydrothiourine ring. Carbasephemes are new class of beta-lactam antibiotics that are similar to the structure of cephalosporins. The substitution of a sulfur atom in the dihydrothiourine ring is replaced by methylene group. The sulfur is replaced with a methylene group to form a tetrahydropyridine ring. This is the tetrahydropyridine ring. Carbasephemes have remarkable chemical stability, and cefixime is the most common example. Next is oxacipine. Oxacipine is similar to cepheme but with an oxygen substituted with sulfur. They are synthetic compounds, and replacement of sulfur with oxygen shows marked enhancement in their antibacterial activity. And the most common example is latamoxef. So these are the 9 most common nucleus which are present in the beta-lactam antibiotics.